also known as the Decamillennium bug or the year 10,000 problem. Since years will now need to be expressed in 5-digit numbers, software won't be able to put into code dates that start at 10,000 CE. Besides that, by this time, human genetic variations, such as people's hair and skin color, won't be regionalized anymore. These traits will be evenly spread around the globe. We'll all uniformly be the human race. Let's go further. If you suddenly found yourself 20,000 years from today, chances are that you wouldn't understand people at all, even if nowadays you speak several languages. And that's because by year 20,000, all modern languages will have evolved into something completely different. Only one out of every 100 words in our current vocabulary will remain in this distant future. Arriving about 50,000 years from our current time, and the world will be entering another ice age. This will lead to all kinds of changes. For example, all the lakes situated on the Canadian Shield, as well as other landmarks, will disappear due to erosion. You won't be able to enjoy the might of Niagara Falls any longer. Climate change will take care of that. In addition, days will become 1 full second longer, which will lead to a lot of confusion. Unless, of course, people will officially make one day 24 hours and 1 second. In 100,000 years, the constellations and stars that you see from Earth today will look absolutely different. The reason for this change in the night sky will be the distance Earth and the solar system will have traveled throughout the galaxy's orbit. Also, by this time, we'll likely have colonized Mars. So, people will probably be marveling at the new stars from its surface. In 250,000 years, a new island will arise in the Hawaiian Islands. It'll be the Loihi volcano, which is predicted to appear from the ocean depths around that time. Earth will be struck by a gigantic asteroid 3,280 feet in diameter about 500,000 years from now. The crater from this asteroid will be no smaller than 250 miles across. As a result, disastrous fires will start all over the planet, and the air will become unbreathable. On the other hand, by this time, humankind will likely have already invented the necessary technology to prevent this gigantic rock from smashing into the Earth. But even if this asteroid doesn't get a chance to change the surface of our planet, many landmarks will have vanished on their own. In 500,000 years, the Badlands National Park in South Dakota will have eroded into nothing. About 950,000 years in the future, and the famous meteor crater in Arizona is now gone. This huge hole in the ground, with a diameter of 39,000 feet and a depth of 560 feet, surrounded by a 148-foot tall rim, will simply flatten out due to erosion. If anybody's still living in Earth in 1 million years, they'll have to face a huge threat around this time. A supervolcano will go off, covering an area of 720 cubic miles with expelled magma. Such an unimaginable up about 75% of the Grand Canyon. Scientists believe